So today's session, I'm going to show you the new Zoom feature of how to use the breakout rooms and how you have the functionality to jump back and forth. So here in the breakout rooms, I'm going to assign Carol to panel A. I'm going to assign Lois to panel B. And I'm in the breakout room. And now I'm going to ask for everybody to go to the sidebar. So a message will be sent to all the attendees.
On the bottom ribbon, click Breakout Rooms, choose Breakout Rooms, and then Join.
Here we are in the sidebar.
Here we are.
I hope you found this tip to be helpful. Please feel free to comment below. And for other technology tips and tricks, follow Keynote Trial Services on LinkedIn, Instagram, or Facebook.